kirong sa kanya Iman nga siyamu Kita ang laman-laman Ijaga siya benar Wiyadawang ay janjuan Alewang rosi jagi sagi sangu
Sarabin utak cakale Sarabin geduk cakale mas Sarabin utak cakale Sarabin geduk cakale mas Sarabin melau geduk cayanggan dance floor Warawan may men bali yan dance floor Way go make inendalian go say mele Niya mugin sa go way sa go tong maradin ang dance floor Way sarabe kay tuman kay dog jayang galat o melaw Way men balian ng dance floor Way sarabe kay tuman kay dog jayang galat o melaw Way men balian ng dance floor Hey sarabe utak chakale Sarabin geduk chakale mas Sarabin, utak chakale. Sarabin, giluk chakalik na. Sarabin, nalaw, giluk chayangkalik na dance floor. Warawan may men beli-belian na dance floor. Way ko may pinandalian ko sa'y lele. Niya muging sa kaway sa kutong marit na dance floor. Uy, sarabin, kay kaman, dito ka chayang galak ko menlaw. Way men belian na dance floor. Uy, sarabin, kay kaman, dito ka chayang galak ko menlaw. Way men belian na dance floor. Sarabing utak chakale. Sarabing giluk chakale ma. Sarabin uta chakale Sarabin gedok chakale mas Sarabin uta chakale Sarabin gedok chakale mas Sarabin melau gedok chayangan dance floor Where when me men belly belly and dance floor We go make even belly and go say mele Niyamukin sa gaway sa katong maratin ang dance floor Uy sarapin kay taman kay dugtiyang galat o menlaw Uy men belly anuk na dance floor Uy sarapin kay taman kay dugtiyang galat o menlaw Uy men belly anuk na dance floor Hey sarapin utak chakale Sarabin gedok chakalik mas Hey sarabin utak chakale Sarabin gedok chakalik mas Sarabin nalaw gedok chayang galit na dance floor Warawan may men belly belly ang na dance floor Way ko may pinandali ang gosoy mele Niya muking sa gaway sa katong maratin na dance floor Uy sarabin kay taman kay dugtiyang galat ko menlaw Uy men belly anuk na dance floor Uy sarabin kay taman kay dugtiyang galat ko menlaw Uy men belly anuk na dance floor Hey sarabin utak chakale Sarabin gedok chakale ma
Mangok Magachin Gongaway, Sang Radio, Ponpe Radio, P6H, Nikider Skipal Kupay Saktuao, ang nagkagutan sa Mamail, AM Radio Kan, 88.3 ang nagkagutan sa Mamail, FM Radio Kan, P6H Live Feed, ng YouTube o Facebook, o Cable TV, Channel Ria Sakriyaw, Club Station and Self-Search, Minutes Silu, Spalala Club Sakriyaw, How the Panpakayarkan Kunangan Sansanang Prakan Pohnpei Community Health Center Vacancy Announcement Position Title Physical Therapist Duty Station Pohnpei Community Health Center Classification $566.36 plus COLA Type of Appointment Full Term Contracted Opening Day September 14, 2023, closing date on October 14, 2023. The Pohnpei Community Health Center is a non-profit organization which is fully operated with federal grants. PCHC assists medical partners in overseeing the successful delivery of quality primary health care to the general population of Pohnpei State. The physical therapist provides treatment for patients who have health conditions that limit their ability to move and perform everyday activities. This includes pain reduction in order to avoid resorting to pharmaceutical or pharmacological remedies. Responsibilities: consulting with patients to learn about their physical condition and symptoms, diagnosing movement dysfunction and developing treatment plan, teaching patients how to properly use therapeutic exercise techniques, providing stimulation or massage to promote healing, assisting patients with the use of equipment such as wheelchairs or walkers, advising the patient's family about the home treatment options and exercises, and performs other duties as assigned. Required qualifications and experience: education, graduation for a recognized medical officer school of medicine, possess a license to practice medicine in the FSM, at least 3 years of working experience. How to apply? Applications can be picked up at the Pohnpei Community Health Center in Colonia. Complete application with a resume and education credits attached must be dropped off at the Pohnpei Community Health Center before or on the closing date for applicants to be considered. Thank you. Pohnpei Port Authority Vacancy Announcement. Pohnpei Port Authority, a public corporation of the Pohnpei State Government, is now accepting applications for the position for Airport Police Officer 1. Salary grade 3 starting at $9,132 per annum, COLA included. Location at the Pohnpei Port Authority, Tabachi Island, Pohnpei State. Opening date September 27, 2023. Closing date on October 20th, 2023. Summary: perform safety and security assignments at the airport and otherwise patrols and monitors airport property and facilities accordingly. Essential duties and responsibilities include the following. Other duties may be assigned: patrols and monitors the runways and facilities of the airport, physically checks and checks airport security access areas such as security doors and baggage claims areas to assure control access, identifies and reports real and potential security breaches, screens all outgoing passengers and non-passengers according to the airport regulations and other regional standard procedures, enforces authorized access to controlled areas and procedures regarding identification badges, otherwise enforces regulatory mandates, rules, regulations, and procedures using prescribed public relations and their confrontation protocols and procedures. Directs and controls vehicle traffic at the airport and ensures that parking lots and traffic ways are controlled accordingly. Diverts passengers from their carry-on items and personal effects prior to walking through the metal detector. Monitor walk-through metal detector and X-ray machines. Identify, define, and classify prohibited items employing the use of ASIC X-ray machine or by manual searches on persons and carry-on items. Regularly participates in classes, training programs, and exercises to develop and maintain skills and abilities to provide effective security and safety at the airport. Tests and validates workability of all ASIC apparatus and systems, as well as report facility and equipment in need of maintenance attention. Performs ASIC sterilization of all passenger holding areas, prepares and submits reports regarding safety and security incidents according to procedures. Performs other duties as assigned by the supervisor. Minimum qualification requirements: high school education plus 2 years of police work or related field and/or training, or equivalent combination of education and experience. Must have no record of felony or criminal conviction. Having driver license is preferred. How to apply: application forms can be obtained from the office of the Pohnpei Port Authority at the Kachik Island, Pohnpei State. Completed application or resume should be submitted to the same office no later than the closing date of this vacancy announcement. Thank you. Kalanganin kubur koros, menggamit chau tabin pakairkan konangan sansalong prokan, pebewang kuprokan sang elengan Pohnpei physically radio. Klagan station and self-search min chesa spadlar clock isa priya. Chevan wachim betul sway nan submit programming homage.
Online form kailangan ka ang messagian ni Silun Julayo. Nagkapan wiyata airport tinipayo. Chay pamini video. Chay pambakolok kagalakolok Chay bandel mo kilok isu. Paniya biru paniya maru Chay yang kilang fireworks. Pumelat armas pimenjono sang nang quarantine Berendi au tanto yang kakalak ni party at pamimi jonanin basok ngelan na mayal Ibanolay na pungo na ramis noy mo minsali Ilay jo udani naman nakita Paserebe imbo Paluwara mo masama Repikine Isila mame imo bueno Sosola day banda pumelat Iso baila balima repikine Ipiso baila balima repikine Puta rebali warama repikine Repikine Pere repikine Israel pun jabukine Repikine So jabukine Nagame so jabukine Bikini palimay Soja may ikilangan ta soja bikini Bikini palimay Bikini palimay Soja may ikilangan ta soja bikini Iray koros jauh dani lelkida Sosokila lo kayaki jame kakinda Oe 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 Ore bikini Oe oe Paluara mau masama Oe oe bikini Oe oe Paluara mau masama Iso baila balima un repikine So baila dale mai repegine Utara dale warama repegine Repegine Where repegine Irail punja begine So jabegine So jabegine Oe 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 repegine Oe 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 warama sama Sama begini so jadi orang naik Yes, sir.
Nasukaway sa kato, boy lalaki, marati ka pa na pon. Ipunggi, nasukaway sa kato, boy lalaki, marati ka pa na pon. Ipunggi, kay talimay paiban, kasawi mo man ang musika. Kay talimay paiban, kasawi mo man ang walika. Yes sir, take it away, yeah. Hey, hey. Krrrra.
Amman, riyaman, siliman, baman, tatalabiyo, mire. Nawano, memomot, nakaskasinan niya, misakasakaw Bombay. Was outside, uta, naging barangay. Sakasakaw yung liwi of a party. We are looking like I'm Jody Yaki. Million, the trillion, the zillion. Nasukaway sa koto, way laliki. Marati ka po na po, ni boom. Nasukaway sa koto, way laliki. Marati ka po na po, ni boom. Nakay ko ni may paiban, kasawi na mawa na musika. Kay ko ni may paiban, kasawi na mawa na maligak. Nagay, dali may paiban, kasawi mo